Hello, so let's understand this problem. Find the duplicate number. Here we have given an array of size n and we have to find it out the duplicate value present in that array. So the values are in this array from 1 to n. Okay, so one value is duplicate value. We have to find it out the duplicate value. How? How will find it out? Just uh, think like this. We have a container and we are storing those values in the container. If we found one value is already present in that container, again that value is occurred, so that will be our answer, right? So like this way, both these are the similar ways. Okay, here I have just declared another map for this, and the another way is vector. Okay, and the third approach is the best approach. I will explain you a bit later. So understand this two approach similarly. Here I have just declared an unordered map. For this unordered map, as we know, we are storing key values pair, right? So I am just traversing this num like array in this using for loop, and while traversing I'm just storing this value in the form of key and value pair, right? I'm just storing this one in unordered map as one, okay, with value 1, 3 as 1, 4 as 1, 2 as 1. If that value is already present, then it will increase that value. Okay, so the value will be 2. Like this way, if we found that value is already present, then the value is increased 2. So we will just return it down that value. Okay. Like this way, in vector, if we are storing all this value at their index, right? Like this, vector of 1 index, okay, vector of third index, the value is I'm just firstly I am declaring vector as all the values equal to 0. Okay, so when I receive one of the value like the first value, okay, so at vector index of 1 I'm just increasing 0 to 1. Okay, I'm just adding that value. At index 3, at vector at index 3 I just increase that value from 0 to 1. Vector at index 4 I have increased that value. Vector at index 2 I have increased that value. Again, if I have increased that value, then as we know already we have present 1, right? It will increase as 2. So as increase 2 means it's duplicate value, right? So we are just returning down that value. Okay, it's a simple approach. The second approach is the based approach. Okay, so here is slow and fast pointer approach. Just like in cycloid loop in the linked list, we have to detect a loop, right? Like this way, in the first go, we have to detect the loop and the meeting point of the loop. Okay, and in the second loop, we have to find it out the duplicate value. Okay, for this, I have created one visualization. I will show you with the example. Here, in the first phase of first while loop, we have to detect the cycle and the meeting point of the cycle, the slow and the fast. The slow will move with array of index slow, and the fast will move array array fast, right? So the starting phase slow and fast will be at 0th index. The slow will be moved to the 2, and the fast will move to 2 of 9 means 1, right? Slow will move at 9 and fast will at slow will move at second, the second value, and fast will move at this value. The next time slow will move at ninth and the fast will move at first of 5 means fifth index. Third, 2, 3, 4, 5. This index as fast and this index as slow, right? Fast and slow. We got the slow will move the next time at 1, right? And the fast will move the fast first time 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This at this index fast will be, and at this index slow will be the next time, right? Okay. So, the next time what will be the result? The slow move to the 2, 3, 4, 5, right? This point at slow, and the slow fast will move at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. And again this has to fast will move at this position because fast of 8, 7, and fast array of 7th index is 9, right? Like this way. Okay, the slow will be 3 and fast will be 9. The next time the slow will be 1, 2, 3 at this position, and the fast will be 9 and 1. Here will be the fast. Okay, so the next time 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will be slow, and this will be the fast, right? 9, sorry, 6 will be the fast. The next time it will move at this position slow, and again fast will be at this position. Means we found that detect the loop, right? If we found this at meet at same single point, then we found it out this cycle, right? So again we have to find the duplicate value. For this I am just traversing again with starting index at slow at 0, and the fast will be at 7th index only. Okay, so here you can see slow at this index, fast will be this index. The next time slow will be 1, 2 at this, and the fast will be at this, right? Okay, so we found this duplicate value 9. Okay, you can try run it out by yourself. You can try it out. If you have any confusion, then just let me comment it down. I will try to best explain you in a better way. Okay, the time complexity will be O of n, and here is the best solution, I think. Okay, thank you for watching this video.